Hi, this is Dhruti, author of The Resilient Entrepreneur. Welcome back to my series of videos where I talk more about my book leading up to its launch. In this video, I'm going to talk about the final two concepts that I've covered in the book. The first is the need to pause, to be mindful. Most of the times we multitask, we are like a hamster on the wheel without having any direction, any goal, or so we think we do. How can you pause? How can you be more mindful? Why is it so important? These are some of the things that I'll cover in the book. The final concept I want to talk about is the ability to pivot. The one thing, the only thing that's going to set you apart from the rest of the entrepreneurs is your ability to pivot, to have a plan B, to create a plan B. So these are the final 6 concepts that I've covered in the book. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, take care, stay safe.